Hi everyone, today let's visit our domestic customer's new factory. The company primarily manufactures and sells skincare products as well as color cosmetics. In this order, the customer is purchasing multiple sets of machinery from our company, mainly water treatment systems, emulsifiers of different capacities, as well as cooling water system and boiler heating equipment. Right now, the engineering team is installing equipment. Every step from the machinery to the pipes and electrical wiring is strictly following the installation standards. This is the production workshop. The customer has purchased multiple vacuum emulsifiers from 100 liter to 7,000 liter for differing production scales. They are mainly used to make face creams and lotions. This is the water treatment workshop. The customer has purchased a full water treatment system. These machines help keep the production water pure and safe, supplying for the rest of the process. Ailusi Machinery is honored to provide the customer with professional equipment and customized solutions. We wish the customer's company smooth growth and surviving business.